Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the introduction to the Greatest Showman, learn how to sing Rewrite the Stars, and perform them both together. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
In this first instrumental section, we're going to need the notes B and A. They should sound like this. If you're not sure about where to put your fingers, then pause the video here and use the diagrams on the screen to help you. Now you're confident with B and A, let's play a short copycat game. I'm going to play a short phrase and then I'd like you to play that phrase back straight away. When I play, make sure that your instrument is up ready, and when I stop, I'd like you to play that phrase back at the same time as you see my hand signals. I'm going to start on the note B, so let's get ready. Well done. Now that we've warmed up, let's move on and learn the instrumental section. To learn this section, we're going to use the last rhythm that we played in our warm-up copycat game. I'm going to clap that rhythm and say the notes 4 times, so join in with me when you can. B, 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 A, B. 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 Now that we know the notes and the rhythm, let's try and play it on our instrument. I'm going to play it 4 times again, so join in with me when you can. Feel free to pause the video here and practice that little bit until you're confident with the B's and the A's. Now on your music, you'll see that some of your notes have little crosses. This means that you don't actually play a note here, but you're going to stamp your foot instead. So here's how that phrase should sound. 1, 2, 3. You need to play that phrase with the stamps 5 times, and on the 6th time, you don't add the extra 2 at the end. Let's try and play all of that section together. You'll hear 3 clicks before we start. So get your instrument ready to play, and off we go. get ready to put everything that we've learned so far together. We're going to start with the instrumental section and then we're going to put the singing part in afterwards. So get your instrument ready to play and off we go. What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one could say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for the Greatest Showman Part 2 coming soon.